Hello, welcome to my James Chemistry channel. So today I solve with some basic concept chemistry for first year. I will solve the previous year NEET question paper. The first I will solve with first questions. The right option for the mass of carbon dioxide is produced by heating of 20 gram of 20% of pure limestone. The given atomic mass of calcium is 40. Okay, the equation is calcium carbonate. The limestone is nothing but calcium carbonate at a heat nearly 1200 Kelvin. It gives calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So the given weight is given. Weight, the limestone, its weight is given. Weight is 20 gram. But the weight of pure limestone is present in 20% of 20 gram. Now it is converted to gram. So can I write 20 divided by 100 into 20 gram. So this and this will be cancelled. So after is getting a 4 gram. So please remember student, this is nothing but the given mass of calcium carbonate. So then we can easily calculate the number of moles of calcium carbonate. The given equation, we know that the equations, the moles of calcium carbonate is equal to the given mass divided by molar mass. The given mass and molar mass. The given mass is 4 and molar mass of calcium carbonate is 100. So after simplifications we are getting a 0.04 moles of calcium carbonate. But we assume that the moles of calcium carbonate is equal to the moles of carbon dioxide. And the above equations becomes, therefore, the above equation becomes 0.04 moles of, I can write the moles of carbon dioxide. So after simplification, 0.04, the molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44. So after simplifications, you are getting 1.06 gram. So the correct option you can check easily. The option A is the correct one. Is it clear? Any doubt? So ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. Thank you.